Today we're going to talk about the Pallmann P4 Adhesive. Before I run through all of the properties, I'll just show you what it comes in. So we've got here a 16 kg tub. We've also got your little 1 kg sausages that can fit into your 600mm sausage gun. Go in the end there, just for your small minor repairs or if you want to replace a block. All available at Ultimate Floor Care. So a 16 kilo tub will approximately cover 15 to 20 square metres. Of course you have to use a B11 notch trowel as well. So this wood floor adhesive is suitable for cementous and concrete screeds, chipboard and OSP for specifically for wooden floors, wooden floor levelling compound and warm water underfloor heating systems, which I know that everyone in the current climate and of course in the future going to have all of these warm water underfloor heating systems. So this product is great because it works absolutely fine on there. Now using this product myself, I can run you through a few benefits that I found on site, not just from the product data sheet. So I found with this that it had a really long lasting working time. So the data sheet says around about 20 minutes, but in the right climate you have a little bit more play with it. So to reduce your working time, I would use Pallmann P4 Adhesive. So here's a project what one of our customers are recently doing with a Pallmann P4, so check that out. So the Pallmann P4 adhesive works specifically with the Utsin system, so the subfloor system that Utsin do. This is part of the system, so it works really well with their levelling compounds and their primers for screeds. It also, if you look at the Pallmann adhesive list, this product can do planks from 2 meters up to 200mm wide. It is for straight plank fitting.